I got you. I know exactly what you're here for. Automotive detailing disgusting, nasty human oil off car interiors. I got your fix. I'm gonna try to earn your sub, a comment, a like, all today while I clean this nasty scum off of this. Wow, we are just taking a look at this nasty knob that needs to be cleaned. And yes, that is nothing but human oil, as you see it right there. Definitely disgusting. It seems like nothing on this does not have just some encrusted nastiness. So let's do what we do best. What are we using there?
This is just the magic eraser, and I'm just wiping off where we just agitated it with the spray 9.
Wow, that looks amazing. And it is super fast, isn't it?
Very fast, very little effort. And as you can see, it does a great job.
So what possesses people to let their hands get this dirty?
I don't really know what possesses people to do a lot of what they do.
Oh, you missed a shot.
Yeah, a little bit.
Got a little too anxious. Woo, look at that 303 pop. That's our friends at 303. Man, do they have a nice product.
Yes, they do, and it smells great.
And the cool thing about this is, Jen, they tell us that it seals it perfectly.
Well, take a look. It surely does.
I mean, man, that sucker looks some kind of good. I mean, I'm just kind of drinking it in right now, but I am feeling her right now. She is looking good.
Yes, looks great.
Wow, number 3 is absolutely amazing. And she's going to cure right to that satin finish we're looking for. And she's going to be deep and beautiful. Wow, it's hard to even believe it's the same card. Alright, we're going to go ahead and wrap this bad boy up. How do you think she looks, Jen?
She looks great. Putting the polish on now to seal everything.
We're going to go ahead and seal this bad boy up. We went ahead and threw a little bonus in there because, you know, when you're OCD like that, you just got to handle it.
I'm definitely OCD like that.
Wow, Jen, I think she looks amazing.
Looks great.
How'd it do for your OCD?
Much better now.
Did you get your fix?
I did.
All right. Stay tuned. We got more coming.